NASA's Mars Maven mission is nearly a week into its long journey to the red planet. Many missions to Mars have been met with failure, and the mission has many obstacles to overcome. For this and other stories from space, we're joined by Andrew Fasakis, the night sky guy, and an astronomy expert with National Geographic. How are you, Andrew?
Hi, Jennifer.
And you're joining us from Montreal. So what's so challenging about this mission, Andrew?
Well, we've just had really bad luck sending spacecrafts to Mars. 2/3 of all missions in the last 40 years of us sending spacecrafts to the red planet have failed. Some have exploded upon launch, and a lot of them have just fell silent on their way to Mars. And, Maven has a 400 million kilometer journey ahead of it. It's only about a week into the mission, and things that are going to crop up that scientists are going to have to deal with is, for instance, the solar flares that have been coming off of the sun in the last few months that have been really on an uptick right now as we're reaching solar maximum. This produces a lot of radiation that basically bathes the entire solar system. So this can actually fry the circuit boards on satellites. So Maven is going to have to really keep a watch on what's happening with the sun over the course of the next few months on its 10-month journey to Mars. And that's just one of the many challenges. The other one that's very, very possible that's a big problem is communication delays. As the probe goes to Mars, the distance increases between the probe and our planet. So ground controllers, they have to deal with up to a 10-minute delay in communication to reach the satellite, and another 10-minute to come back. So you have upwards of a 20-minute blackout with the satellite that navigation experts have to deal with.
Wow. Now, scientists confirmed the brightest explosion ever this week. Tell us about that.
Yeah, this is really cool. This is basically a gamma ray burst, which is the most powerful explosion that we know that occurs in the universe. And we think it occurs through a supernova explosion, a giant massive star that's maybe, anywhere from 10 to 30 times larger than our own sun. When it explodes, it produces a lot of nasty gamma ray radiation that just bathes the cosmos. Now, what's interesting, the one that they've announced this week, is that it is the most powerful explosion we've ever seen in the universe from a star before. And it's measured the distance about 3.6 billion light years from Earth, and this is about a quarter of the distance of what other gamma ray bursts have been. So it's the closest we've ever seen, and it's basically shedding light on one of the inner clockwork of how the most massive stars basically blow themselves up.
Amazing. Okay, Andrew Fasakis, known as the Night Sky Guy, an astronomy expert with the National Geographic. Great to see you, Andrew. Thanks for this.
Thank you.